see the clouds, guys? It's gonna rain very soon. Tomorrow, maybe. Oh, damn, I put the flash on. It's starting. They are arriving, and these clouds, they are not some clouds to be messed with, guys. This is strong cloud action, guys. Look at that. Damn, that's big. That's huge, guys. Huge. Huge rain is coming, guys. Look. I can see it arrive. It's still sunny. It's still hot as hell. I'll tell you how much it is. 28 centigrades Celsius. Look at this, guys. Look at the rain that it's coming. Look. Big, heavy, rainy water. It's raining. Rain. Stay blessed, my people.